Good evening. So it's that time to play a little game. First you skal need is something knappenål, and you stick one snor ind igennem. Now you have taget the snor ind igennem sådan her. So you laying the knude on this, so then coming to at the sådan out. Oh. Sådan. And so that you do is a spin round. Yeah, you do that. You can take two finger, one finger, or all the finger, but det is go really much if man kun bruger one finger. So I bruger the all finger. First you do is that, and so you do that. So then spin really good. That was all.